You're constantly doing something, but somehow the money never shows up. You've got lists, calendars, tasks, reminders. You're posting, creating, researching, replying. But your bank account? Still struggling. Let's be honest, you're busy, but you're not free, and that's the trap. You've confused activity with progress, and that's the silent killer of your income. You've been taught that hustle means success. Work hard, stay consistent, don't quit. But you know what? Plenty of people grind for years and still stay broke. They keep moving, but in circles. You're overwhelmed, drained, behind on bills, yet somehow still not getting paid. You feel guilty when you rest, anxious when you work. You're burned out, but you're afraid to slow down. Because if you stop, you fear it'll all fall apart. But what if this just keeps going? Another month, another year. Same grind, same results, still juggling tasks, still watching others win, still asking yourself, why can't I figure this out? You'll waste time, you'll waste money, and worst of all, you'll start to lose belief in yourself. That's the real cost, not the hours, but the hope that slowly dies when nothing changes. So ask yourself this right now. Do you want to change this? Do you want to stop being busy and finally get paid? Because here's the truth. You don't need more hustle. You need more clarity. You don't need longer hours. You need a better system. You have to make a demand, not just from the world, but from yourself. A demand for real income, real progress, real freedom. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You've just been following broken advice. It's time to stop that. Others have figured this out. People just like you, with less time, less money, less knowledge, but they found the right approach, and everything changed. And that's what this is about. Not hype, not noise, just results. We created the You Can series to help you break the cycle and start building real wealth, step by step. It starts with our free guide, 5 hustles that actually work. Real examples, real steps, and yes, they actually pay. You'll find the link below. It's free. And if you're ready to scale faster, we've got a $19.99 upgrade that shows you exactly how to turn these hustles into serious income. But first, start with the free guide. No more being busy for nothing. No more noise. Download the free guide below. And if you're ready to scale, grab the upgrade. You can do this. Let's go.